Recently, Oppo has been killing it with their audio products, and now it's back with the Oppo Enco X, which offers superior audio quality. Firstly, let's talk about sound quality. Apparently, these earbuds are tuned by Dyn Audio. I have to be honest, I do not know much about them, but after listening to music, podcasts, and watching videos, I've noticed that these have the most balanced sound. The vocals are not as thumpy as Oppo Enco W31 in bass mode, but they're still pretty good. Bass is not too overpowered either. So as I said, it has the most balanced sound of any truly wireless earphone I've tested so far. It does have LHTC, but unfortunately it is only supported on a few Oppo models like the Oppo Find X2. So on most phones, you couldn't even take advantage of it. Next, when it comes to ANC, it does cancel out most of the noise, and when you're playing music, you pretty much don't hear anything else, giving you an immersive experience. So I quite enjoyed the ANC on Oppo Enco X. You can customize the options on Oppo phones and also on non-Oppo phones. You can download Hey Melody app on other Android phones, which essentially gives you all the customization options. Moving to design, I like how compact they are, but they're also slippery, like super slippery, and every time I try to put them on, I have to be super careful to avoid any slip-ups. The seal isn't as good as Oppo Enco W31 or W51, but it's still good enough. Comfort-wise, I did high-intensity interval training and the buds stayed in my ear. Additional ear tips are available, so choose the one that fits you well. There's also Fit Test, which is available, and in case you're wondering, yes, it's also available on the Hey Melody app on non-Oppo phones. So you can check which ear tip size fits you the best. So fit wise, there are no issues, and I wore them for substantial period of time and there's no ear fatigue as well. Moving to the case design, it has got a glossy finish in a compact form factor, but again it's very slippery. I feel like it needs a case, but apart from slipperiness, it's the best case design. I know I said the OnePlus Buds case has the best design, but Oppo did a great job, especially with the hinge, which is so rigid and works perfectly. Opening and closing the case feels so satisfying. I'm very confident that it'll be very durable. Next, moving to battery life, the earphones lasted 3.5 hours with ANC turned on, and with ANC turned off they lasted 4 hours. So this is one area where I wish they were a little better. Moving to charging times, earbuds charges in 30 minutes from 20 to 100%, which is really quick, and case charges from 0 to 100% in 1 hour 13 minutes to be precise. So even though the battery isn't as good as something like the OnePlus Buds, they do charge pretty quickly, which always helps. Next, when it comes to gaming, there's negligible amount of latency thanks to binaural low latency functionality, and this time they've also added monaural support, so you can enjoy low latency gaming even when you're using a monopod. Oppo Enco X has IP54 dust and water resistance, so splashes of water or sweat during workouts is absolutely fine, nothing to be worried about. Moving to call quality, it is really good. Here's a recording done using Oppo Enco X to give you some perspective. Okay, now I'm in a room which is fairly quiet. How do I sound? And do you notice any ambient noise? Let me know. Okay, now I moved into a room, so this fan turned on. So how do I sound right now? And how well are the earbuds doing in terms of cancelling out the noise? Let me know. Okay, so now I've moved into the kitchen and there's water running in the background. So how do I sound right now, and how well are the earbuds doing in terms of cancelling out the noise? Let me know. So this mic test truly replicates the call quality. As you've probably noticed, noise cancellation is average. Once you turn on the fan, the audio goes muffled. So make sure you are in a fairly quiet environment while you're making a call. So as long as you're in a quiet environment, call quality will be really good. And finally, let's talk pricing. I personally believe that 10,000 rupees is a lot of money to pay for a truly wireless earphone. That's the kind of money most people pay for a phone. But for this price of 10,000 rupees, you will get incredible ANC performance, superior audio quality, and really good call quality as well, comparatively for a truly wireless earphone. And Oppo is confident in their product, so they're providing 1 year warranty. So these are definitely great pair of truly wireless earphones, but the question is, are you willing to pay 10,000 for them? Well, if you think these are well beyond your budget and you're looking for more affordable truly wireless earphones, then you should be checking out these earphones, of which I made a playlist of all the videos. So click here and I'll see you in that video.